Alright, fam. I want to show you guys how to purchase um Digimon Rabbit. Alright, this one coin that um promises to do well, and I want to show you guys how to purchase this. Alright, so I'll just go straight to the point so that you guys can be able to do it for yourself. Alright, be careful first. I want to use this opportunity to give a warning. The first one is be careful with the links you click. Don't click on any link that says airdrop this or that. Those are most likely scammers, all right? Don't click on airdrops, don't click on all those things because they are most likely scammers, all right? They're most likely scammers. So don't click on any link, all right? Simply go to the official website for whatever you want, all right? So let's go over to the video. So you want to um be able to buy Digimon Rabbit on your Trust wallet, right? The first thing you do is that you go over to your browser, you search Digimon Rabbit's contract address. So when you search that, you come to market cap, right? Coin market cap. You click on coin market cap. All right. So when it loads up, you come down. Alright, you will see the contract address here. So let me show you where that is. So this is the contract address right here. So you click on that to copy it. So I've copied it now. So it's copied. So I've copied it. So I go back to Trust Wallet. Alright. So I'm back to Trust Wallet now. So what do? I come to add token. How do I add token? Simply click on this stuff, right? So clicking there, I'll be able to add token. So I can now click there and you will not find wiki card there. So I just simply click on add. Alright. So all I have to do is what? I swap my network to what? Smart chain, right? So you change it to smart chain, click here, paste the address here. You see Digimon Rabbit, then you click on save. Alright, so now I have Digimon Rabbit as part of my tokens, alright? So it should appear here now. Yeah, you can see Digimon Rabbit. Alright, so now we have Digimon Rabbit here. What's the next thing to do? We want to convert our BNB to Digimon Rabbit. Alright, so how do we do that? We simply come to browser and we look for pancake swap. So this is pancake swap. Click on pancake swap. So you head over to pancake swap. Alright, so it's loading up. Once it loads up, the next thing you want to do, you want to change your network to smart chain, right? You want to change it to smart chain because it's default set at Ethereum. Alright, so you come here, you change this, click on this, click here. So change it to what? Smart chain. Alright, so that being done, you now connect your wallets. Alright, so connecting my wallet now. Alright, okay, it's connected. Sorry. Alright, so now what's the next I want to do? I want to swap my BNB towards Wikicart. So I come down, I click on this cake, or I click here, this arrow that's pointing down, this arrow that's around the cake. So I want to change that to Digimon Rabbit. So what I'm saying Wikicart. So I click on that. And I can type the address which I pasted earlier, or I simply type DRP. I think Digimon Rabbit DRP or DRB. Forgotten the Alright. You can simply just type that same address which you posted earlier. I can simply post that same address. Alright. So if I do that, I will find Digimon Rabbit. Okay, it's DRP. Yeah. So Digimon Rabbit. You can paste that same address there. So you click on import. So now I have a Digimon Rabbit there. So now what's the next thing I do? I click on how many percentage I want to transfer to Digimon Rabbit. So I have about something $14 worth of BNB. So I can choose whatever I want. So that's 25%, 25%, 50, max, whatever. So I want to do max, which is 100%. So I click on max. All right, so clicking on max now. All right, so remember that your slippage tolerance should be at 10. All right, your slippage tolerance should be at 10. This is your slippage tolerance. And if you want to edit that, you can edit it. All right, I can click on this, on the arrow too close to slippage tolerance. Let me show you that's what I just did. You can click on this arrow to make sure you change it to 10. All right, so if it's not at 10 already, so just simply come here, click on that and edit it to 10. All right, so make sure it's at 10. So that being said, I click on swap. So I'm clicking on swap now. So I come to confirm swap, and I wait for a moment and it will be done. So I bought um Digimon Rabbit worth $14 or yeah $11. Right, so apply, approve. So I put my fingerprint and it's done. All right, so you wait for confirmations and it's done. So if you have any questions, do well to reach out to me or comment on this section. Do well to like this channel, so like this video, subscribe, and all of this fun stuff. All right. So we can now go back to our wallet to see if it has done that. Right. So remember, the Rabbit was empty earlier. Right. Let us refresh to see if it has swapped. Or you can see it. I have Digimon Rabbits now officially. You can see it swap. I have our 734 billion Digimon Rabbits, all right, worth $10, and market has moved by 20% today. Wow, the chart is amazing. Wow, it's amazing. All right, so that will be the end of this video. So if you love this video, do what to like, subscribe, all of all this fun stuff. All right, so see you guys in the next video.